Hello everyone, welcome to Kaksha's scholarship prep on verbal reasoning. Today we'll go through question number 5 of our 1000 question series. You'll have 15 seconds to analyze this question. We'll include the correct answer and an explanation to the answer at the end of this video, along with tips and tricks to tackle questions of this nature. Let's get started. Question is, which word is opposite in meaning to insufficient? Options are A, adequate, B, scarce, C, lacking, D, hopeless, E, subjective. Time starts now. Right, time's up. Let's look at the correct answer. The correct answer, which word is opposite in meaning to insufficient, is option number A, adequate. Is the correct answer. Now, let's find out first the explanation of what does insufficient mean. The word insufficient, it means not enough, lacking, or inadequate. To find the opposite, we need a word that means enough or sufficient. So let's analyze each options with some examples. Option number B, which is scarce, is incorrect because scarce, it is similar to insufficient. So scarce means limited, not enough, in short supply. So hence it is similar to insufficient rather than being opposite to it. So as an example, fresh water is scarce in many desert regions. Option number C, lacking, is also incorrect. Again, it is similar to insufficient. It means missing, not having enough of something. So as an example, her explanation was lacking in detail, so no one understood her point. Option number D, hopeless. Hopeless is not related to sufficiency. It is not a related word. Hopeless means without hope or feeling despair. So it is not related to the amount of sufficiency or something. As an example, he felt hopeless after failing the exam for the third time. So we'll discard option number D. Option number E, subjective, is again incorrect because it means it is unrelated to the meaning of insufficient in this context. So what does subjective mean? Subjective, it means based on personal opinions or feelings rather than facts. So it's not connected to this particular question or sufficiency in any way. An example where subjective is used. Her review of the movie was highly subjective as she only focused on her personal preferences. So the correct option or the correct answer is option number A, adequate. It means sufficient, enough, meeting the required amount. So it is opposite to insufficient. Example, the food supply was adequate for the entire family during the storm. So let us go through some tricks and apply to this question and see if we are asked this particular kind of question, how or which tricks we should have in our toolbox to solve this question. First, understand the word's core meaning. Break down the word into simpler terms to see what it really means. So, example, insufficient, what it means is not enough of. It is opposite, opposite must be enough of or more than enough. Look for prefixes and suffixes. So, insufficient. It suggests not sufficient. So the opposite should be enough or sufficient. Eliminate similar words. So if a word has a similar meaning instead of an opposite one, cross it out immediately. Check out, check out for unrelated words. Some choices may not be connected to the meaning at all, like subjective in this case. So we should discard those words out from the options. And the last, use context and example sentences. So if you're unsure, try using words in a sentence to see which fits best as the opposite. I hope you liked this video and the explanation to to the question that was asked today. Let's learn together. If you go to www.kaksha.com, you'll find much more verbal reasoning questions. And also, every day we are uploading videos on scholarship prep on our YouTube channel. It's @Kaksha edu. Thank you very much.